Why is it that when you go into inspections of an apartment, you need to bring a measuring tool with you? Because we were in one and we measured the wall. Something didn't look right. And we measured floor to ceiling on one end and then floor to ceiling on the other end, and it was off by about an inch. So I said, what in the world is going on here? Well, apparently when they put the ceiling in this complex, the ceiling was not placed correctly. It was placed at an angle, and now you have a slightly sloping ceiling. Does it happen everywhere? No. But can it happen? Yes. Does it need to be in your report? Maybe. Well, what if you're in a flood zone, right? How would you know? Those are some of the things you got to look at. Are you in a flood zone? Are the stairs safe? Are they up to regulation? If you buy it and it goes through inspection, do you need to pay for brand new stairs, brand new railings, brand new ceilings? What's the requirements? Knowing that is so important when you are looking at real estate. As a passive investor, you don't have to look at all of that. That's why you have operators like us looking after it for you. We have you in our best interest. We'll see you soon.